We can take a look inside. So you can see in here that down below, underneath the bottom shelf, lift this up, is the main temperature control probe in the back that also houses the over-temp probe. We've got our independent thermocouples are coming through the wall. There's 4 of those here, type T, labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. The gate valve's in the back, and this port here is our RGA, which is slightly recessed so you don't accidentally hit it. And the gauge port is up here. That was our pressure relief, emergency pressure release, and the feed through. The upper right is a available port for you, and then down below the platen, down below the shelf is where our platen connects to. So let's just, there's our light tower up there. So we've got the green is profile is finished, and that will be off when you're running a profile. Yellow or amber will tell you that you've started a vacuum cycle. Blue will be on when you're in high vac, and red is your over temp alarm. And let's take a look at some of the components in the back. So we've got our RGA here, and this is the serial port to hook up to talk to it. This is the vent valve, which is this flexible line that runs down to this connection here. 15 psi max on that, air or nitrogen. Our blank port up here for your use. This was where the feed through for the thermocouples is here, and then this is a pressure relief, so you don't want to lift this when you're under vacuum. There's an O-ring in there that can get sucked in, and this just pops open at half a psi. This is the chamber roughing valve. This gauge here is the turbo backing valve, and it's got a set point adjust, and it's set. Set point 1 is set at 2 torr. Our turbo has a fan that turns on when it's running. This is the gate valve actuation is up here with the air to it, and then the platen is here for the 2 platen cooling lines, and the platen electrical and thermocouples are available there. And then down below on the back of the pump is the 4-line valve for the back of the turbo there, and that's the line. This is the line that runs up to the chamber. Hidden up in the control drawer, flashing there, is the Ethernet hub that connects the touchscreen, data logger, watt load controller, and then back here to your Ethernet connection.